get a basket?
Yes. Are you going to carry it?
Mom, you be acting brand new.
You can do it.
All right. What else do we need?
I'm going to go walk over there just so I can look at it.
Why you at Target today? You don't want to be... You want to get some more peat moss?
No, because that's the thing we got last time. Oh, but that's a planting also. Isn't that what we got last time?
This one? I think so. I remember the bag being either this color or somewhere close to green.
One.
Yeah, I think so.
But it says it's a planting mix also. And it's 3 cubic feet for $2 more. I wonder if that's why I got that one. Well, maybe I should put this one back and just get 2 of those. Because...
What, is it the same price?
No, this one is $2 more, but you get a whole cubic foot more.
So what is that, 6? And this one you would get 3, so you get 2 of these for, what, $22.50? How much are those?
$9.75.
Oh, yeah. Well, actually, doesn't that kind of work out the same? Well, 9, 18, 20 something. This one's 22. I think you get more for cheaper, or the same, more or the same for less.
Yeah, if I buy 2 of those.
Yeah.
Me too. Okay, let's get these.
Okay, hold on. Headband part.
At least I'm. Oh, I know why I'd be shaking, because I jiggle my legs. Oh, and then we need that azalea camellia acid for Isabel's berries.
Well, those are already in the ground.
Yeah, this is their fertilizer. You just kind of put it around it.
I can do that. Will it seep into the,
You just put it around like you would fertilizer.
one of these?
Yeah, just one. Because you're supposed to fertilize it like...
Oh, it has blueberries on it. Ah, the blueberries.
Hello.
How you doing?
Hi, guys.
Quite well. It's been a while.
I know. Okay, butterfly pants.
Thank you. I'm so fashionable.
Yes, you're not.
I follow her on Facebook and Instagram, or one of the two.
Really?
Yeah.
All from all these things. Oh, you should throw the pots over here.
Why? Do we like them? Well, they are for no reason too. How you gonna pay little children and wherever 10 cents a pot, and then you charge $30 for it?
30? These pots are hundreds of dollars.
Are they?
Yeah, go look.
That one's $65. You're right. You don't have pockets either? Neither do I. Well, put this string down.
I was not going to. I probably think people are going to run over. Why would they want my stuff, right?
Yeah.
I'm putting my wallet in my bosom. Hey, do these little animals, because I love these little animals.
Oh, do you want one? Where? Oh, this one? This is pretty cool, this balloon. I think it's a one time. Look at the donkey.
I hope you're actually getting the...
Hmm?
Hey, that looks like a cute DIY.
You were talking about, what you call it? What? What is it?
We have those stands that we use already. I can put my trailer at the end of it,
Oh, you
And
could.
decorate with flowers. And I could say this is my inspiration piece.
Yeah. All right, we got it.
How much is it? Go get a price.
$95.
Look how cheap those are.
120. That when the water drifts down it, it does a sound. We could make that out of those tin cans that keep saving.
And we could do a DIY of our inspiration piece.
The
They have
chains
those,
come from the dollar.
and they have those little mini buckets at the Dollar Tree.
Oh man, yeah. Okay, I'll get one.
Okay, and make sure you get a copy of the price.
Yeah. If you're done holding up traffic.
I gotta give them something to do.
Look at all these succulents. Now, they're so different looking, all of them.
Well, they look like fake ones.
Why?
Because they, you know, take care of them. Son had on his mask, but she had hers around her neck.
Mm-hmm.
The police took her down in front of her son.
Like to the ground?
To the ground. If they were worried about her getting it,
They sure were pretty close to her, right?
They threw her on the ground. Well, they threw her to the ground.
Why?
Because she didn't have on her mask, and she was caught. I guess they were like, you need to take your mask off.
Go this way. I'm looking at the flowers. We have to think about our pollinating garden, which I think if we just actually our Dollar Tree pollinating garden.
Yep. Look how pretty these are.
What is it? Oh, it's a fuchsia basket. Gotta get yours bigger.
Yeah, you probably do better in the ground.
Those aren't in the ground.
Huh?
Those weren't in the ground.
Yeah, but those, they know what they're doing. They probably use some, look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Alright, we're just going to go get a picture of the berries and their price. And get the heck out of here. That way we don't spend any extra money that we don't need to spend. I think it was already.
This one's the Blueberry Jubilee.
Yeah, I think it was nice. Do you want me to, like, film you, like, picking them up?
Mm-hmm. Alright, let's take the long way back. And then we'll just go. I'm tired. I'm not really tired. I think I just want to brush my teeth.
Why didn't you do that before we left?
Because you were in the bathroom. Look at grapevine. How you doing? I'm going back to tally. Oh, I've never thought about putting that on my Instagram when I travel. Dang it.
Oh, these are really pretty.
Yeah, they
Pretty
are.
mallow.
Oh, these are cover crops.
What was that name of that plant? He said you should always get
Oh.
comfy or
Yeah, cumbre.
comfy.
You sure with the cumbre?
No, I'm pretty sure comfy.
Here, let's go find a worker to help us. Because he says it replenishes nutrients to the soil.
I think you can eat it.
Oh, can you? For the animals, probably.
There you go.
Excuse me. Wait, say the name of it. We're looking for comfy or cumbre. None?
Not something I carry, unfortunately.
Okay.
Is that what are we saying it right?
Comfrey?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, where do you think we get it from?
I'm not certain. That's not one I've ever seen us carry.
Interesting. All right.
All right, thank you.
Sorry about that.
Thought it was a woman. I was like, do you think he heard me? When you said, I was like, Mom, you're rude. You just assumed his gender. And I was like, oh, wait.
What?
I thought he was a woman. I was almost certain, yeah. And I had to look in the eyes because, like, oh, wait. What are you going to do with that?
Rub it on my hands and then touch the basket again.
Yeah, right?
Keep rubbing it on my hands and touching stuff.
Sweet home Alabama. Oh.
Still never told that you seed.
Well, if we put up the greenhouse, we can just grow them in the greenhouse. Wait, well, what does it matter about the greenhouse? No, because are they a summer crop or what?
Well, they're supposed to stay shaded.